Welcome back to episode 4 of my Real to 100K Invested series, where I document my real journey of building a six-figure portfolio step by step. I will be covering all my accounts, both brokerage and 401k combined, how much I'm investing, dividends, performance, and outlook, all in full transparency. If you're new to the channel, welcome. My name is Dividend Dashboard, and on this channel, I document my journey to reaching 100K invested. I also share stock analysis and monthly deep dive portfolio updates to give you a transparent look at my progress. So if you're an investor in the accumulation phase or just looking to grow alongside someone on a similar path, make sure to like this video and subscribe. It really helps the channel get discovered by other long-term investors just like you. Since the last episode, my total invested assets has grown noticeably, both from new contributions and solid market performance. Right now, my brokerage account is valued at $28,000 and my 401k has reached $15,000. That brings my total investment portfolio to $43,000. Compared to episode 3, here's how things have moved. Brokerage account is up 10%, 401k is up 5%, and everything combined is up 8.52%. This progress reflects not just market growth, but consistent investing. Every deposit and reinvested dividends is working in the background, compounding over time. Even though I'm still a little under halfway to reaching my 100k goal, I'm proud of the momentum. The key is consistency, staying invested, sticking to quality, and not overreacting to short-term noise. Right now, I'm consistently investing $160 per week into my brokerage account, which is the core of my dividend growth strategy. These weekly deposits are automated, and I treat them like a non-negotiable bill, because the goal is to stay consistent no matter what the market's doing. At the moment, I'm contributing $0 to my 401k, not by choice, but because my employer hasn't set one up yet. Once it becomes available, I plan to take full advantage of it, especially if there's a match involved. Until then, my brokerage account is doing the heavy lifting. Let's do a quick breakdown of the account. The brokerage account, this portfolio consists of 21 hand-picked individual stocks, a mix of blue chip dividend payers and high-quality compounders. I'm focused on building a stream of passive income that grows over time through dividend reinvestment and long-term holding. The 401k, while it's currently smaller, is fully invested in the S&P 500 index. This gives me instant diversification and long-term exposure to the broader market with zero effort on my end. It's a simple but effective set it and forget it approach. The top 5 holdings for my 401k is number 1 Nvidia, number 2 Microsoft, number 3 Apple, number 4 Amazon, number 5 Meta. For the brokerage account will be number 1 Hershey's, number 2 Google, number 3 MasterCard, number 4 JP Morgan Chase, and number 5 Visa. This blend of active dividend investing in my brokerage account and passive index investing in my 401k gives me a nice balance. Income today, growth tomorrow. Every week, every dollar, every dividend is all part of the bigger picture, building a strong financial foundation and marching towards that 100k milestone. Looking at my annual dividend income from 2020 to 2025 year to date, the growth speaks for itself. This steady climb is a clear reflection of what consistent investing and dividend reinvestment can do over time. Every dollar earned through dividends is a dollar that didn't require me to trade time for money, and every reinvested dividend adds fuel to the compounding engine. Why does this matter for wealth building? Well, because dividends offer 3 key advantages. Number 1, reliable cash flow. Dividend income creates a stream of passive cash flow that can eventually cover expenses, fund further investments, or cushion against market volatility. Number 2, reinvesting accelerates growth. Reinvested dividends allow me to buy more shares, which increases future dividend payouts, a compounding cycle that builds momentum over time. And number 3, mental anchoring. Watching your dividends grow year over year provides motivation to stay invested, even when market prices fluctuate. It reminds you that wealth isn't built overnight, it builds month by month, dollar by dollar. What started as just $23 in 2020 has grown into over $537 in 2024, and 2025 is on pace to surpass that. The takeaway, small beginnings compound into meaningful results, and dividends are one of the most powerful wealth building tools for the long-term investors. Both my accounts are currently outperforming the S&P 500 and the Dow Jones, which I see as a positive sign that my strategy of focusing on dividend-paying blue chip and high-quality compounders is working well. While I'm slightly behind the Nasdaq, which has been tech heavily this year, I am comfortable with the balance of growth and income I'm aiming for. Ultimately, this reinforces the importance of staying consistent, diversified, and long-term focused, not chasing trends, but building a portfolio aligned with my goals. So to reflect on the month, this is what we have. With the strategy, as the market trends upwards, I'm staying focused on building out of my highest conviction positions, companies I believe in long-term both for growth and consistent dividend income. At the same time, I'm keeping keeping an eye on my defensive holdings, ensuring I maintain a balance in the portfolio in case of volatility or pullbacks. The goal is to stay aggressive where I see strength, but always be prepared with stability where it counts. Discipline, consistency, and quality, that's the approach I'm sticking with. For the adjustment, no changes. I remain on $160 a week and still no 401k update. For the outlook, the gap between my portfolio and the S&P 500 has narrowed, which is encouraging. While short-term performance will always fluctuate, I still believe my accounts are well positioned for long-term dominance. By focusing on high-quality businesses and staying disciplined through all market conditions, I'm confident this strategy will continue to compound steadily over time. That will be it for episode 4 of Road to 100K. If you made it to this part, thank you so much for supporting. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.